It has an outer mitochondrial membrane and an inner mitochondrial membrane. We're going to take a closer look at the inner mitochondrial membrane. During glycolysis, the gain of electrons, a form known as reduction, occurs. NAD and FAD are reduced to NADH and FADH2. These coenzymes transfer hydrogen to the electron transport chain. A hydrogen consists of a proton and an electron. The electron transport chain consists of a series of special electron carrier proteins that shuttle electrons from NADH and FADH2 to terminal electron acceptors, such as oxygen. Electrons enter the electron transport chain when NADH transfers its protons and electrons to a membrane-embedded carrier protein. The loss of electrons is a form of oxidation, thus oxidating NADH to NAD. The electrons are sequentially carried along the electron transport chain while the protons are shuttled to the outside of the membrane. Some of the electron carriers, such as coenzyme Q, also known as ubiquitin, accepts a pair of electrons from FADH2, oxidating it to FAD. The proton is then transported through the membrane as electrons move down the chain. During aerobic respiration, the last carrier protein transfers a pair of electrons to oxygen at the end of the electron transport chain, and water is formed. The enzyme ATP synthase utilizes energy of the proton's motive force to synthesize ATP. This enzyme allows protons to pass back into the cell and couples the energy released in this process to the phosphorylation of ADP to form ATP. This process is called